Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at 4 rare vintage motorcycles that are true gems of the road. And if you like what you see, consider liking and subscribing to help grow the channel. Thanks for your support. So, buckle up and let's ride. First up is a Harley-Davidson VLD, produced from 1934 to 1936. This bike was designed for the open road, featuring a 74 CI flathead V-twin engine. The VLD was known for its durability and was a favorite among police forces during its production years. What makes the VLD rare is its limited production run, with fewer than 1,000 units made. It represents a significant chapter in Harley's history, showcasing the evolution of American motorcycles. If you're lucky enough to find one today, it's sure to turn heads. Second, we have the Norton Commando 750, a staple of the British motorcycle scene from the late 1960s to early 1970s. Known for its innovative design and high performance, the Commando was the first motorcycle to feature a fully integrated unit construction engine. Its 745 cubic centimeters engine produced about 60 horsepower, allowing it to dominate the roads. With over 50,000 units produced, it might seem more accessible than others on our list, but finding a well-preserved example is still quite a challenge. This bike is a perfect blend of power and classic British engineering. Next, let's talk about the stunning BMW R7, a prototype motorcycle that was introduced in 1934 but never went into mass production. This bike is a masterpiece of design and engineering, featuring a striking streamlined body that was revolutionary for its time. Powered by a 750 cubic centimeters flat twin engine, the R7 boasts an elegant look with its unique fairings and innovative use of aluminum. Only one prototype exists today, making it an incredibly rare piece of motorcycle history. It represents the pinnacle of pre-war motorcycle design, and it's a must-see for any collector or enthusiast. Next up is the legendary Mert XR 750, a bike that made history on the racetrack. Developed by Harley-Davidson in the late 1960s, this flat-track racer became a dominant force in American motorcycle racing. With a powerful 750 cubic centimeters engine, the XR 750 was designed for speed and agility on dirt tracks, and it quickly became the bike of choice for many professional riders. Mert himself won numerous championships aboard this machine, and only a limited number were ever produced. Today, the XR 750 is not just a racing icon, it's a highly collectible piece of motorcycle history. Next, we have the Excelsior-Henderson Super X, a bike that captures the essence of American motorcycle culture. Produced in the late 1990s, this bike is a modern classic that pays homage to the Excelsior brand of the early 20th century. With a powerful 1,384 cubic centimeters V-twin engine and striking Art Deco styling, the Super X stands out with its unique design and impressive performance. Production was limited to just a few thousand units, making it a rare find today. Its combination of vintage aesthetics and modern engineering makes it a fascinating piece of motorcycle history. Last but not least, we have the iconic Ducati 750 Super Sport, produced in the early 1970s. This motorcycle became famous for its performance and sleek styling, making it a favorite among sport riders. With its 748 cubic centimeters L-twin engine, the 750 Super Sport was a game-changer, offering power and agility that set the standard for future sport bikes. What makes it rare is its limited production run, with only about 1,200 units made, and it's highly coveted among collectors. The bike's racing heritage and beautiful lines make it a standout piece of Italian engineering, and it still turns heads today. So, there you have it, 4 rare vintage motorcycles that have left an indelible mark on the world of motorcycling. Each one tells a unique story and represents a different era in bike design and engineering. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more vintage bike content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.